She's going to give us a very beautiful song for her family. This is called Mele Ohana.
Ke hapai nei kalei ku ohana Na ke aloha e kau kalei ku poli Nau ku makana aloha e Ke iaina e pulama mai I loko ku Na ke akua e malama E aku aloha ia oko I lift my voice up to my family whose love I wear upon my chest. This is my gift of love for you from this land that has nurtured me, 'cause it remains here in my heart, cared forever by God. Na ke aku ai malamamau E aku aloha ia oko Here is my love for all of you All of you Aku ai malamama